curve goes and the Nifty opens at 19,380, a cut of nearly 50 points straight away, down 0.3% on both the Nifty and on the Sensex. The mid-cap index is taking a bigger cut today, with the mid-cap index down nearly 0.5%. Banks continue to, come under pressure. The Nifty banking index is down close to about 0.4%, 180 points lower, with heavies like HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank under pressure, exerting pressure there with a cut of close to about 0.4%. Let's take you through some of the big movers, at least at the index level. Adani Ports is the top Nifty loser, 3.1% gone on that. And the other Adani Group company in the index, at least, Adani Enterprises, is also lower by close to about 4%. So those are the top two losers. Apart from that, you've got weakness in auto names like Eicher Motors and Tata Motors. Hindalco is weak in trade, and that's lost nearly 1.7%. IT is broadly lower. HCL Tech, TCS are currently trading with cuts of more than 0.5%. The gainers list is quite sparse. Only, I think, 4 or 5 stocks currently are making it, with some green on the screen. ONGC is the top gainer. It's a fresh 52-week high on that. As the numbers look better than what the street was anticipating, good margin performance, and the stock straight away opens with a cut of about 1.5%. ITC ahead of numbers is absolutely flat, while Divi's Laboratory is down 1.2%. Again, we are awaiting numbers from Divi's today.
Well, we move to the low point of the day, Rima, on the Nifty itself, almost at around 19,300, so keep an eye out on that front. A few gainers, though, very, very few gainers. Genius Spark continues its up move. It's up close to around 4%. Positive commentary on the con call. You had Amara Raja, that's up close to 2.5%, so positive reaction is what we're getting in there. Box office hits over the weekend. Gadar 2, very, very good, I believe. So we have PVR Inox that's up close to 1.5%. On the flip side, many stocks are taking it on the chin. Your Vipka Laboratory is down close to around 6%. City Union Bank is down close to around 5%. Muthoot Finance down another 5%. Nalco, the numbers were weak. That's down close to around 3%. And JSPL, we said the numbers were good. The only problem with the numbers is the street seems to have sensed that. And there was pre-buying on Friday's trading session. The stock ended at the high point of the day. And that one is coming for profit taking down close to around 2.5% or thereabouts. India Cements as well down close to around 3%. Big volumes in early trade. Voltas, well, that's pulled back close to around 2% as well. Yes, market share gains come about, but still those numbers are a little lower than what the sheet was working with. Prashant, what else?
Well, it's a full 100-point cut now. So, 19,310 is where we are at on the Nifty. And maybe just take a quick look at the other indices as well as we start. The Nifty Bank should come up. That's down about 0.6%. So that's falling in line with what the Nifty is doing. Mid-cap index will come up on your screen. That's down a full 1%. And the small-cap index is the last one, which is down about 1% as well. So across the board, there is pressure which is emerging. Just a few more names. Look at Astral. I was highlighting that earlier. I think there's a CLSA downgrade. Numbers, by the way, are not bad. Numbers are in line for the first quarter. Stock's down about 3%. So keep an eye out on that one. Info Edge, I think we highlighted that. That is down this morning with 3.5% cut the last I checked. Muthoot is a sharp cut, right? I mean, numbers, again, I think the problem is spreads. And we'll talk more about that one. But the stock from 1,000 rupees where it was languishing had come up nicely. Patanjali is the other one, which is down about 4% or so with a steep cut this morning. IRFC, I think we highlighted. IRFC, I think it's got the largest volumes this morning. Huge in terms of volumes. It's down 4% as well. So that's the losers list with at least what's got volumes in it. Genus is racing ahead. Full 7% pop. For the longest time, after they announced that deal with the GIC, stock kind of was stuck at that 190 odd rupee levels, but that's taken it out, and we're running up on this one. So that is Genus for you, doing well. And there is Cochin Shipyard, which is up 3.25%. Garden Reach was with us. The management was with us 15 minutes back. That is up about 4%. So reacting to earnings and a decent commentary. And there is something like a rate gain, which continues its up move. Rate gain numbers were super solid, and that's kindly sidestepped any correction that the broader market has seen over the last couple of days. Look at KDDL, right? That's the Kamla Dials. Ethos was having a very strong move towards the end of last week, and Ethos numbers were strong. KDDL this morning is up 12%. 2,065, it should come up on your screens. And it's got decent-sized volumes for this point of the day. That's KDDL. we'll try and have that up for you in a bit.
Nykaa. Let's just quickly pull up Nykaa. It's down 10% right now. Numbers were pretty okay. The BPC segment, the beauty segment, has done well, but the fashion segment hasn't performed as per the market expectations and even the company expectations on account of competition. Remember, there's also been the launch of a competitor platform by a competitor with deep pockets, and that's also hurt. And Nykaa has gotten hit quite hard. And another one, NetWeb Technologies. It's the first results for the company post-listing, and it had seen bumper listing, very strong subscription, but the stock is down 5.5% in trade. The numbers are weak. Both quarter-on-quarter, year-on-year revenues have declined.
No, absolutely. So here's some very sharp moves coming through. I was referring to KDDL. I don't know if you can pull the stock up. It should come up on your screen. So that's a decent mover, 12% higher on decent volumes.